Hi all and welcome to Mr. Ersig's online learning class. This video today is aimed at teachers and I'll be teaching you how to create a quiz using Edmodo, which is considered the Facebook for school. So first thing we want to do is log in. If you haven't signed up, it's probably a good idea to do it. You can either log in through your Google account, your Microsoft account, your phone number, or just a normal email. I'm going to use my Microsoft credentials that comes along with my Microsoft subscription from work. Okay, so once this loads up, the first thing you're going to do is go to the left and select a class. So I'm going to select my 11 music class for now. And once that class is loaded, you're going to want to shift to the right to this plus sign. And you want to create quiz. Now, if you have quizzes that you've created previously, it can be up here in your library. You can definitely load up an existing quiz. But today we're just going to look at creating a quiz. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you see this pop up is you've got two selections. You've got quiz details and quiz questions. We're going to start with the details. I'm just going to name it something in my KLA. Sets of music and instructions. Please attempt all questions. From there on out, I'm going to select a time limit. Now, these three selections, I usually just select them all. It keeps the kids on the toes, but at the same time, it allows you to randomize questions throughout the test, show results once the kids have completed the test, and that sort of gives them the instant feedback that they will need to see whether or not they've passed the quiz. So here we go. Second one. After that, we're going to now move to quiz questions. And here is where the fun starts. You have multiple selections that you can make besides this multiple choice. You can select a true or false. You can select a multiple choice, short answer, which can be graded. And oh yeah, at the same time, the good thing about it is you can change the grading. So if you want the short answer to weigh a lot heavier in the exam, you can give 10 points. Fill in the blanks. Then after that, you got matching and multiple answer. So I'm going to just start with multiple choice. Now, say for instance, I'm going to type a question. Is this a crotchet? And another thing you can do, which is awesome, is you can add a link, add anything like a photo or a document from your library in Edmodo, or attach a file from your computer, which is what I'm going to do. Click that here. And as you can see, it's loading up and the kids can see a photo. So if you decide you want to add a photo just to enhance the learning experience, you can do that. Yes, no, and maybe. Now, if you want to add another question, you may want to add new question. I'm going to add another multiple choice. What is texture? Add sound. Quality of sound. Oopsie. Sound and melody. Now, say for instance you want to add another response, you can click this here below and add another answer. So let's a rhythm or a rhythm. Okay. Yep. Now, if you see here, correct answer, of course, the correct answer for this question is A. And the correct answer for this question is A. But imagine this wasn't a crotchet. I would then click this, so on and so forth. So you always click your correct answer there. Now let's go to a sign. This is where it loads up on Edmodo. So the first thing you're going to do is, once you're done, you're going to select the date and or select the date that it's due, first thing. So we may want to do the 31st of March. And after that, it's due on the 31st of March at, let's say, not 1 a.m. That's a bit rough. Let's say through 4 p.m. evening. It can show the results to students upon completion. It's locked after that day, and you can randomize the questions. There's a couple of options here. Add to gradebook, and that's what I'll talk about in another video, is the Edmodo gradebook. You can also schedule it for later if you don't want to upload it straight away. But now I'm just going to hit assign. And there we go, successfully assigned. So that's how you create an Edmodo quiz. All the best, happy teaching, stay safe, wash your hands. See ya.